We had some great news for Serve Robotics stock investors, and actually, it's great news for restaurant stock investors. If you're invested in companies like McDonald's, Domino's, Chipotle, this is good news for you also because this technology poses a huge upside for those companies as well, and I'll discuss why that's the case. Let's jump into these details. Saying that their production plans will see them more than double their current fleet by the third quarter and then double again by the fourth quarter. They're ramping up very quickly. They've got roughly 400 of these robots, driverless autonomous robots on the roads today. Well, not on the roads, they're really on the sidewalks. If you haven't seen them yet, they're all over Los Angeles. I see them every day making multiple deliveries, and they're quite impressive just over glancing looks when I'm on the sidewalk walking or driving and I see them on the side of the road. I've been seeing them for several months now, and they're better than you would expect. So the company's really ramping up production. They have roughly 400. They're hoping to get to roughly 2,000 by the end of the year. And it's because they've experienced early success and they've proven they like what they have, and so they're ramping up production. You like to see that from early stage companies because it demonstrates that they're happy with where they have the product, the features, etc., the cost, and so they're ramping it up now. They're scaling it up. In early days, you're testing the product, you're trying to figure out the features, you're getting feedback, you're collecting data, you're talking to your customers, you're talking to your stakeholders, and once you've got things right, the way you like it, you can scale up, you can ramp up. And then from that point onward, you can continue iterative improvements. So they successfully launched operations in Atlanta in Q2 and also expanded existing coverage zones in Los Angeles and Miami. So these are big cities with big populations, and these are the areas where I see the most upside for this technology. This isn't going to be very successful in suburban areas, but I think it might be in the future. But as it stands now, I think it will be more successful in densely populated urban areas. Los Angeles is a perfect example. The city is so crowded, so much traffic, takes cars so much time to get from point A to point B, especially in the heart of the city, in the crowded areas, that these robots can be faster than a car. Click the link below to watch the full video.